Uh, Hello and welcome to all Let's Play of Half-Life Alyx custom maps. This one is called Think Twice, and apparently if we do a wrong move we'll die, so let's just save at the start. So let's look over the edge here first if we can like escape. Kinda. Not sure if intentional or not. Anything in the hole here? No. There's a hammer there. Will picking it up kill me? Am I thinking twice enough? Maybe I just do need to like walk over the plank here. Don't touch anything. According to the description, even like, oh, this is freaky. Even like, yeah, it vanishes in the smoke below. Even like picking up ammo can kill us, so let's not do that. What's that noise? Oh. This is teetering. Fuck! Okay. Did the game crash or? I feel like that was the worst one. I can think twice. I already have ammo, I already have guns. Can I take the grenade? Let's take the one from below. Fuck!
Alyx!
Okay, don't pick up the grenade. That didn't save, so let's just do the weird map quickly again. Get to see the train. Speedrun. There's like 5 maps here, so it's almost like a puzzle. I remember a game series called Karochi where you had to kill yourself, and I feel like this is more like don't do anything. Though I feel like part of the one is like trying to do things and see what flies and what not. I managed to get a crowbar. Think twice. Let's say we have 3 doors here. If we want to experience everything we need to use all 3 doors, but well, let's take the obvious first. Oh no, that's creepy. What are you behind there? Fucking hell. He didn't even shoot me, he's so fucked up. Well, happy I didn't miss that one. Boom. He's like ASR.
Alyx?
I saw really fight apart. This is hell. I wonder where this safe is. And let's try the right door next. Though I feel like it could be either way, like left or right might be the one to kill me.
Tell you what,
Oh, I wanted to see you better. Yeah, they are deformed and so on. Yep. Trial and error. Lots and lots of error. I feel like picking up the ammo will just make the same boxes appear, so let's go to the left. I will a little exposed here. Health station. I don't need it, but...
Alyx? Alyx!
Finally, the Combine figured out how to kill Alyx. Just trap the health stations. Combine don't use those anyway, so it will only be dangerous to Gordon and other people. If we go too close to the window, will we die? They might see me. There's a help and there's lots of fucking enemies here. I don't see a way through.
Alyx!
I do have guns if I need them. I may be able to take some of them out. I don't think they're like endless. Let's try that next maybe. Unless there's like a hidden way here somewhere. I can't get there. Can I walk through this? No. Also feels like I just need to run. Think twice. Yes! You can always trust the briefcase. And a new place. I don't really like how this place looks. Kinda reminds me of the Arachnophobia maps. They had food and floor and tons of headcrabs in different sizes. This looks like a dead end even. Safe? I hope I didn't go too far. Also it's real dark in there. I don't see any doors here. Carefully. Open window. Nope, 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 nope. I kind of expected it. I can kill you. Am I safe to kill you though? I feel like doing that might cause something bad, but not this time. Okay. And are you safe? I can move. Don't go there. There are ghosts wills around. If I follow you, I should be safe.
Prepare for unforeseen consequences.
Hey, mister, you should... Oh no. You should try one of those health stations. How much health do you have? Wow.
Alyx? Alyx, you still
Seems
there?
to be extra tough. Makes me question if I actually should try to kill you. I don't think there's a way to give you like infinite health, but maybe there is. Fun to have some gameplay too. Floating body parts. Yeah, and always safe. Don't want to play this again. Got a crowbar. It had some glow to it, but yeah, it seems to kill people. So that's promising. Save.
Prepare for unforeseen.
Prepare to meet the end of my thingy. Distract me from that side. Oh, that's Gordon. Yes! Yes! Die, Gordon! You too, you too, you too. Fuck. Did I drop my crowbar? It's up there. Yes, no. Yes, no, no. Don't shotgun me, bro. He does react to shooting. Where got him surrounded. And we managed to kill all his friends. He actually does have something sticking from him. Like health pens. Fuck. Do I need to grab them? That's really tough if I do. I just need to... Fuck. Get him to raise his shield. Yes! Yeah! We beat... What's his word? G-Man. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. There's a small red guy down there. Got him. I wish ending of Half-Life Alyx was like this. We got like 2000 ammo too. If only I managed to reload. Yeah, keep shooting, guys. There's a golden pistol, golden gun, golden gun. Crowbar! Save. Leroy! Oh, I can't reach him. Fuck. Don't shoot me. He has like a shield around him. I hope I didn't break my crowbar. Crowbar, please. There's people up there even. That's a giant syringe. Can I break it? No. I need to go inside the shield and shoot up. Maybe that's the angle I need. Fuck. I may need to reload here. The music ended, which is promising. Fuck. We're so tiny here. Let them finish the job or... Yeah, load. Or maybe this is the ending. I did get the thing though, so... Unless we need to kill our friends instead. Boom. 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 I'll take you, G-Man. Or Or does he have like million health and I'm just making this take longer? At least we got some quiet. Come back. Go both hands from this. Hold. I think I did it. He stepped into my crowbar there. I think that might be the end. Oh. Oh.